just like all multiplication, you can expand this. You know, you start learning when you're young how to multiply one digit by one digit, and then you do one digit by two digits, and two digits by two digits, and two digits by three digits by three digits, and so on and so forth. So really, this is going to extend the same way. We won't get too crazy when we test you, of course. So I at least wanted to give you one example where we have 3 terms times 3 terms, or a trinomial times a trinomial. Nothing changes. I'm going to start with that rightmost term, and I'm going to distribute that across. And so I go 3 times x squared is 3x squared. 3 times 4 would be 12. Bring the x down. And 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. And as I move to the next term, I have to distribute a negative x across all 3 terms. And so I say negative 1 times 1 would be negative x squared would be an x cubed. Notice how I shifted over 1 unit. Negative x times 4x would be negative 4. X is x squared, and I feel pretty comfortable because that's lining up. And finally, with the second distribution, negative x times negative 2 would be positive 2x. And as you may have guessed, with the third term here, you have to do a third distribution, and we'll just shift over one more time. So 2 times 1 would be 2. X squared is common bases. Add those up, be x to the 4th. 2 times 4 would be plus 8. Now an x squared x would be an x cubed. And so that lines up, and that's what I was expecting. And finally, with this third distribution, 2 times negative 2 would be negative 4. And the x squared here comes along for the ride. Put a line down here. I know that I need to add these terms up. And so as I add the terms up, this simply becomes a 2x to the 4th. Second set here, negative 1 plus 7, or plus 8, would be plus 7, x cubed. Remember, when you're adding terms, the labels don't change. A negative 4 is negative 8. A negative 8 plus 3 would be negative 5, x squared. And of course, 2 and 12 would simply be 14x. And this negative 6 come down. Final answer, 2x to the 4th plus 7x cubed minus 5x squared plus 14x minus 6.